This video demonstrates how to use the BLAZE Device Compatibility Tool to verify ONVIF camera compatibility. Additionally, we will cover how to export diagnostic information for technical support. Begin by launching the compatibility tool. Similar to the BLAZE VMS, cameras can be discovered via autoscan, manual scan, or a known IP address. In this example, select the autoscan option. Enter the camera credentials. These can be saved for future use if needed. If cameras use different credentials, they must be added or searched individually. The tool will discover all ONVIF-compliant cameras and confirm successful authentication. You can select specific devices or all discovered cameras for testing. Check or uncheck specific devices as required for the current test. Search, filter, and sorting options are available to help organize the device list. Once the selection is complete, click Next. A summary of the selected devices will be displayed. Note that up to 10 devices can be tested simultaneously. The tool will now perform a sequential test of each device. Note that certain tests will fail if the camera does not support specific codecs, audio, or fisheye functions. Always verify the camera's supported features if a failure occurs. If a device fails, a factory reset is required to clear conflicting video profiles or configurations. During the process, click on any device to view its real-time testing status. Expand specific categories or hover over a setting to identify the exact cause of a failure. As shown, you can identify the cause of failure by hovering over the error icon. Click the Play Video button to open the player and verify the simulated recording stream. Once all tests are finalized, export the report as a zip file. Please note the file size may be large due to included video clips. Ensure you have the necessary authorization before sending these clips to our support team. As recommended, a factory reset ensures maximum accuracy and prevents profile conflicts. Manual scans can also be performed via an IP range or a specific IP address, including HTTPS support. Finally, select Known Address to scan a specific device or stream address.